Okay, we're looking at the AT12 tablet, and I'm going to flip it over, give you the whole rundown of all the ports, all the exterior features. Okay, so we have infrared out on our back box, speakers, rear camera. This is the floor stand connecting device, if you will, insert plate. On the side here we have microphone is the pink, switch port is the black, regular USB 2.0, and as you can see this is a thin tablet, and the back box here is an aftermarket component that we designed to fit the back, and it connects to the computer through the USB-C port. So you have USB-C adapter there to get power. Okay. Alright, it's got a kickstand. So we can stand up. I just accidentally turned it on. But that's your power button right there, so I touched the power button. Volume buttons are here, and when you turn on the AT12, it will automatically boot up to the autonoME software. So if a patient at home ever restarts the computer, it will reboot and come back to their main menu. Alright, next we have the power cord. Okay. We have an extra long AC cable that goes in the walls, 10 foot, which is definitely needed in the homes. The connector for power is, the computer is a Microsoft Surface Pro, so it's got this weird Surface power connector. So that connects right there. It's kind of a magnet deal. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a little harder. Okay, now we're going to move over to the floor stand. Alright, so there's the floor stand. It's got an adjustable arm. You can adjust it wherever these little pivot things are here, these levers. This is the receiver, and I'll be sliding the tablet right in there, and this, if you loosen up this top lever, you can get a lot of rotation out of this. This button is a spring-loaded pin, so that pin, when you slide the tablet down, this pin gets pushed back and then it falls into a little hole, and that way it holds it in there and it cannot come out until the pin is pulled back, and then you can slide the tablet out. Alright, over here we have the hardware installed on the wall that's required to control nurse call. So this is our command center that we use in the home, and it operates off of an infrared signal. So this is our infrared receiver. This is the cable running over to the nurse call, so that has to be plugged in. And this is how we're doing bed control in this room. And this cable just comes down here. When the Uxno bed is rolled in, the receptacle to plug this in is all hanging off the back, and that's how you plug that in. Okay, now let's grab the tablet and plug it in. Or connect it to the floor stand. Switching hands. Okay, so I just have it here with one hand. Much easier to do with two. Okay, it's in there. Alright, so that connects nice and tight, and then it's a little crooked, So I'm going to loosen this up a little bit. Then I'll tighten it. Okay. And then most beds are going to be rolled in, and the head will be, right there, possibly somewhere against that wall. So you would roll this up, maybe on the side of the bed over here, or the other side. Okay. But if I am the patient and I am in bed, and I'm looking out the window and looking over there to watch TV, this will need to be by my side. And I'll first demonstrate with touch how we will hit the nurse call. And you can see now the nurse call is going off. Okay. If the bed's connected, you got your bed controls, head up. And the head of the bed will go up incrementally, a small increment. Okay. Volume control for the computer. If I get an incoming phone call, we could answer the phone. However, in this apartment, we don't have a phone. So we have all our features on here that are in the same as the computers on the ward. One more thing to show you is okay, we covered power. Where's our microphone? So our microphone